What's going on, guys? Three Wheels in a Block back again, and this time we are swapping these taillights on the Smoky S10. Got taillights here. I need a T15, T15 Torx.
What you doing? What you doing?
Fixing the lights.
You fixing the light?
Yep, fixing the lights.
Okay.
There's supposed to be 2 screws on the inside here. That's on the tailgate side. And then there'll be 2 screws on the outside edge of the bed here and one here.
Yeah.
Alright, that wraps up the taillight install. Go ahead and show you guys what they look like when they're on. Since it's dusk outside, they should show up really good. That's it at night. I'll show you a picture in the daytime. Pretty simple swap. Thank you guys for tuning in. Smash that like button. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about these taillights. And we'll see you next time.